master only can mark.
Okay.
Master only.
For
Because
for the temple, you have mark or master mark for
master
you?
mark.
Master for you? A master?
伊勢シュラインね。
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
で、
But when are you a master? When can you consider yourself as a master? Or when people say, when you ask someone you are a carpenter, if someone can say, I am master carpenter. Why?
in my case,
You are a master?
I am.
Yes?
Are you?
Depend on だよね。Depend on the site.
Depend who asking.
But basically the master can management the other carpenter.
Oh,
This is master.
Okay.
If the master sharpening is good and the processing is good, but cannot management the carpenter, not the master.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you
Master-
manage?
ね
Can you manage?
I will do my best. Yeah, human management is very, very difficult. Most difficult
This
thing.
master.
So, it
Okay.
can management the carpenter. He is master. Only skill でも not enough. で、usually if the master, if the carpenter can precise marking, precise sharpening, precise adjust たら almost can make, can manage
You know.
the other carpenter. Because he is can management himself. で I think he is master. Such a carpenter is master. I don't know. I don't know me. What? はい。で、こうして。これが、これthis part I call あり。This joinery is ありし口。
What is ari?
Joinery name. There is joinery name. And part, there is name of part. これちょっとセパレート。This joinery is ありし口。し口 means there are two types joinery. There are two types joinery. One type はあれこれ I say 言うた First day. これストレートジョイント is 次でで、こうか。これをし口。これ two types. There are two types. まあ function is almost same だけど、まあちょっと different say name icon。これ、まあ usually なんていうのかな。90 degree joint、これストレートジョイント、ストレートジョイントを次ってこう90度ジョイントをし口、This is ここが90 degree だからし口 and this is あり、そうありし口で